Hello friends, this is John from Artiprint. Today we teach you how to make the maintenance if you have 10 days vacation. So let's do it. And now we do a nozzle check to make sure the nozzle is very good. Okay. And now the nozzle is very good. First, let's clean the station. Sure, I can use the tissue. Okay, we'll click and move. Let the carriage move to the left side. Okay. You clean the around side if you have the ink, dirty ink here. Okay, around half of inside. And after you have the moisturizer liquid or the clean water on it, you need to bend this. Use something to tie it. If you have a switch, you can close it, both close. And then move the back to the switch and check the nozzle is in the center. It's for several days, no problem.